Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1983. Absolutely the most pristine example we've seen since I rolled out of the Kawasaki dealer with this same exact bike 43 years ago. I'd say it's aged a little bit better than I have. And take a good look at this thing, man. You got to come up close on this one to really appreciate it. Full frame off restoration by Devin, one of our lead techs here. He's an absolute perfectionist. And all the original cycle parts on this, the original anodizing on the swing arm, the rims is all intact, but we took it right down to the frame and redid everything. All the painted surfaces were done. Engine's completely rebuilt. Take a look at the polished aluminum on this thing. And let me spin it around and show you the other side, because the sun's just about perfect right now. And I'll give you all the details, but look at this thing. Look at the pipe on this thing. It looks like a works bike from 1983. From the Renthal bars to the Renthal sprocket and gold chain. Let me fire it up. It's got a brand new Race Tech spring on it, set up for a big guy like me. Guys, would you just look at it? Look at this thing. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. It's like a time machine from 1983. Full frame off restoration, no expense spared, done by one of our lead techs here at Kaplan Cycles, Devin, and no expense was spared. Guys, the original cycle parts on this, the original wheel set, the original gold swing arm, the original fuel tank, the original matching numbers, original engine case, frame, everything was mint original on this thing. But hey, it's 43 years old. We wanted to refresh it, so we wanted to make it perfect. So we took it right down to the frame, split the engine cases, went right through the whole engine, rebuilt the crank, all new crank seals, crank bearings, brand new piston, brand new top end, pushing out 180 PSI compression through that brand new handmade, custom polished work style chrome pipe, polished motor mounts, all new hardware, full restoration of the engine, both internally and cosmetically on the exterior. Air boxes redone, new air filter, key and carbs, completely rebuilt with all new fuel lines and new jets. It has new fuel petcock. The original fuel tank was completely restored using the sand, polish, and buff method. There's over 8 hours labor just in the fuel tank on this bike, guys. This is an 85-hour work order to restore this bike. Couple $1,000s in parts. You're looking at a pretty heavy ticket on the restoration, but it was worth it. I had one of these in '83. Long story short, I bought it from Midtown Kawasaki, fresh out of the crate, and it really couldn't hold the candle to this one with the polished aluminum forks, the Renthal gold chain and green sprocket. Everything's new on this bike. Renthal bars, ODI grips, Renthal crossbar pad. It's got a new Whirlpool throttle, a new Pro Taper clutch assembly with the quick adjust, new clutch cable, new throttle cable. The front brakes completely rebuilt with new pads. The front wheel is restored with new tire, new tube, new rim strip. The wheel bearings are redone. The original radiators in excellent condition, which is pretty remarkable for a 43-year-old motocross bike. Brand new Nightmare Racing plastics package with a brand new front fender, brand new front number plate, new radiator shrouds. The original tank was completely restored with new graphics, new breather tube. The seat is brand new seat foam and seat cover, brand new rear fender, brand new number plate graphics package done by my honey, Christy Steiger Designs. You can see she did this kind of trick like we call it OEM Plus, where it has the pinstripe around there and the Kawasaki Kx250 logo. Nobody does it like we do. Brand new Cycler front number plate. Front brake guide. the matching blue air valve caps on the original Kawasaki forks, which were rebuilt with new seals and new oil and new fork boots, and they're beautifully polished. The steering head bearings were redone. And again, the engine crank up rebuild. Everything's done on the engine. New crank seals, new crank bearings, brand new clutch, all new hardware on the inside and on the outside, new hoses. The piston is brand new, and it's pushing out 180 PSI compression, new reed valves, brand new, handmade, custom, polished, and blued cone pipe. It looks like a works pipe with a polished aluminum silencer on there. Air box is redone, new air filter. All the fuel lines and fuel drain lines and the fuel petcock are new, and the original tank is restored to as new condition. The shock linkage was redone. The shock linkage was painted the original gold to match the anodizing. Brand new Renthal green sprocket, gold chain. Everything's redone on the bike. Brand new rear tire, tube, rim strip, all new hardware. The chain guide was professionally polished. We polished the chain guide. We polished the upper engine motor mounts. We polished the lower motor mounts, and we taped off the original factory stickers on the frame here before it was painted to show you the original factory stickers were intact. You know, when you start with a good, clean Survivor like this with mint frame rails and the original wheel set, and it really is you know, it's not worth going this far on a bike unless the original components are great. The original radiators are perfect. This radiator on that side is absolutely pristine, perfectly straight, perfect straight condition. Just a beautiful piece. Blue Renthal bars. It's got the new ODI grips. Just a stunning machine. Total restoration on this thing was a pretty heavy ticket. 70 hours is 10.5. So you're looking at about 12 grand in shop rate, labor, plus the parts. So we can't give it away, but it's the nicest 83 we've ever done. I have an emotional attachment to these machines. I had one when I was in 1983 as a senior in high school. But the shock guard is brand new on it. Also, the shock was completely rebuilt twice by us here. We did it once and it wasn't working quite perfectly, so we took it apart, did it again, got the shim stack just perfect. It's got a brand new Race Tech shock spring on it. The linkage bearings have been redone. All the bearings are super tight on this, new wheel bearings. Everything's been done. I'll write up everything in the eBay ad, so you'll see it there. If you have any, if you're one of our regulars, the clutch pulls like butter on this thing, and it wheelies like you wouldn't believe, man. It wheelies like a brand new 250. Porting is on point on this. The timing, the ignition, everything's perfect on it, man, mechanically, and it hauls ass. So if you're looking for a vintage classic to add to your collection, hang it from the ceiling of your man room or your man cave, great. If you want to line up at the Southwick Vintage Race this summer or Unadilla, or take it to one of the national tracks and relive your youth, it's ready to go, boys. But this kind of beauty and perfection ain't cheap, but it's worth it, man. Spectacular piece. Proud to if any of my friends want to buy this or long-term clients, do it. It's as good as it gets. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. I mean, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Just freaking gorgeous. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.